Hello. Wow. Today is Sunday. I don't know the date. It's the 27th of January. Today I'm going, so my friends just got back from Florida. 2 of my good friends got back, so we're gonna have like a baking hangout day. I don't know exactly what we're doing. It's like, where's my watch? 10:20 right now, and I had some cereal, and I think I'm gonna work out before we meet up. I don't think we're meeting up till a little later, so I don't know if this will ever make the internet, because when I'm with my friends I don't think about vlogging, if that makes sense. Like, I just am focused on having a good time with my girls. We'll see what happens. I'll try my best. Okay, I just got done working out. What I did today for my workout was a 1.5 miles on the elliptical, and then an arm workout and an ab workout, and then I did just some glute exercises. I didn't watch a video for the glute exercises. Take a shower and then maybe hang out with Brady, but I don't know if he's awake or not, so find out. Oh, by the way, this is my basement. It's kind of scary. Like, when I was little, I never went down here. I was too scared of it, so it's kind of a spooky basement. I'm going to the store to get ice cream for my friend's house, because we're gonna make brownies and stuff. So I thought that it'd be, okay, this air is probably really loud. I thought that it'd be good if we, Brady, what are you doing? I thought that it'd be good though if we had like the brownies with the vanilla ice cream, you know. I'm kind of scared to drive because my car sounds horrible, like really bad when I start it, but it's okay. And my cousin, my friend lives in the country kind of, so I don't know why Brady's sitting in my drive right now. What are you doing? I probably should have let my car warm up, but let's go. So I'm going to Dollar General. I'm hoping that my friend has chocolate chips because I didn't bring any, and I'm gonna make cookies. There's supposed to be like a big snowstorm tonight. It's Sunday, so I'm just banking on no school tomorrow. My friend Riley, her car didn't start, so her boyfriend and her just drove by, and he's taking her to my friend's house because her car won't start. Let's go to Dollar General. Should I get cookies and cream or vanilla? I think I'm gonna get cookies and cream. Funny story about Kennedy. So she has a pond in Hills, and the other day we decided to go sledding. It was like -10 degrees. And it was super windy and it was miserable, and I went down the hill twice and then I went inside because I was like hyperventilating. The wind was so strong I couldn't do it. I'm scared to vlog in front of my friends, so we'll see how this goes.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging? That's what you're doing? I've noticed a lot that she holds her camera like this and then she's
bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Ew. Vlog it. Kennedy just drifted into a snowbank and now she's checking for damage. It's the dotted one off.
What?
Why did you take the dotted one off?
Yeah, because it looks ugly, but honestly when you stick
Let me get on the vlog, okay? Calm down. Oh! See, mine look good, okay? That's nice. No, this is a hell of a cupcake. Let's take a risk.
Just kidding, I'm taking a risk. Can I do a spin to win?
Oh,
yeah, you can.
My eyes are too thick for that.
Come here!
So she like... What you have to do is when you're out, the next move has... I'm with Brady now. It's way later than when I last, oh my god, when I last vlogged. We're eating pizza. Probably not gonna have school tomorrow either. It is like 2 in the morning right now. 2:01 in the morning. We got school canceled for today, like I thought, and then they actually canceled it for Tuesday and Wednesday because it's supposed to be so cold. So for seasoning them, and I put some avocado or olive oil. Today I'm using avocado oil. And then I use salt, pepper. Last thing I add is chia seeds. I'm done. Like once the avocado toast is ready, I just put a little bit more salt and I sprinkle some more chia seeds on top. Avocado toast, and then I have a bowl of fruits and veggies. I know it's kind of cringy how I'm like keeping them in the same bowl, but I don't want to do more dishes, so this is it. Brady and I have basically done nothing all day. We just got back from getting ice cream. We're gonna make spaghetti for dinner, so we'll show you some of that. Good morning. Today is my third snow day. I wouldn't really call these like a snow day. We're literally just getting canceled because it's so cold out right now. It is negative 20 degrees and it feels like negative 40 and negative 50. So I don't know if we'll have school tomorrow or not. But today I really don't have any plans because it's so cold outside. So last night Brady went to leave at midnight or whatever, and his car wouldn't start, so it's in my driveway, so I'll probably have to jump that today at some point in time, but I don't know if my car's gonna start. So my dad is starting Brady's car.
I think it might have started because they're already done.
Brady's truck still won't start. We're probably not going to school tomorrow either. Andrea's here. Okay, it is 7:30. And I'm about to go to my friend Riley's house, and she's asleep, so I'm just gonna go wake her up. I have a little story time when I get to Riley's to tell you guys. Wake up, Riley. Okay, so what happened with Brady? Was I was following him. Well, I was leaving my neighborhood and he was turning into his house, which is in my neighborhood. And he turned and he likes to drift around his corner. And I'm watching him drift. And he just keeps sliding right into a snowdrift. And I have a video of it, so I'll probably put it in, but it was really funny. And then I had to press the gas while he pushed, and it's like negative 20 degrees outside. And I can't imagine how his fingers must have felt after that, but it was really funny. Hopefully his parents don't watch this, because he's like, don't tell my parents.
Can they see the fire going in the back?
Oh. Hey guys! Just in the afterlife, what's up?
Allison wants to know.
Okay, so Riley and I want to go get chocolate from the store, but we're scared that her mom's gonna yell at us for leaving the house because it's cold outside. So we're gonna try and sneak out in my car and get chocolate. We'll tell you how it goes. We're about to leave. But it's like, I don't really. Is your car okay? I'm driving slow because I'm scared. Oh, I thought your car was stuck.
Oh, it's showing you. Oh wait, what is it showing?
It's the reflection. Oh. Look at that. Down there.
This looks good.
I don't know, Kennedy. Be careful, please. Is there no detector?
Where'd you guys go?
We got ice cream.
What?
We got ice cream and chocolate.
Please freeze your cold out.
Okay, so Riley and I were just on Omegle for like 2 hours. And we actually talked to some good people, some really cool people. But we also talked to, well, not talked to. Yeah, we saw a lot of male organs. Okay, my face is like peeling so bad. Do you have moisturizer I can use? Got popular. This is real shit. Get in the face with the full good. Amazing. Okay, you know how people are always like, you're gonna get copyrighted. I watched a girl do a whole makeup video and she just had music blaring the whole time. Like, I just want to take my makeup off because I'm feeling bougie. Oh, hey, show them that. I did Riley's makeup. I'm doing it for prom, so we did like a test kind of thing.
Sometime too, because I'm not coming home a lot this semester.
I know.
Okay.
We're gonna go see if Riley has good cereal to eat. Mukbang. He wants in. Why can't that? Yes. She never fails me. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had to drive home. And I can't see because my contact is so messed up and I'm kind of scared, but here we go. I legitimately cannot see that well at all. I don't know if you can see how red my eye is. I just drove home and I had my eyes like this the whole way home and it was so scary. I showered, did my makeup, and my eye is like really irritated and it hurts really bad, and it was really hard to do my makeup because it keeps like, I don't know, just like twitching. It's just a good time. I'm going to the comedy show with my mom at like 6 o'clock. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm going to wear a sweater and blue jeans with some boots, I think. Do you think the brown boots will look bad with the black sweater? I'm dressed. I'm wearing this sweater from TJ Maxx, and then this belt is from Urban Outfitters. These jeans are from Urban Outfitters, and these shoes are from a website that I don't know the name of. Okay. This necklace is from Forever 21. Earrings are from Target. Walter's in here because I didn't think we were spending enough quality time together today. So, Walter. Hi, so pretty. Hi, baby. So the place that we're going to is like 2 hours away, but we're gonna stop for dinner on the way. I have really good ice cream there, but I already had ice cream today, so long story short, I'm gonna get ice cream again. I guess I will vlog again when I am in the car or doing something. Okay, I put on my coat. My coat is from IMG. I got it off of Princess Polly though.
It's gorgeous, man.
I'm videotaping. I'm trying to vlog. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Me too. Good morning. It is the night after, or the morning after the show. I am in my mom's car right now. We go home. I'm not wearing pants right now. I'm just wearing shorts, and it's really cold here. Brady needs a ride to school because one of his, the car that he would take to school, the tire's flat, and I'm not going to school today, but I'm gonna give him a ride. So I'm going to my dad's to get some clothes, and then I'm gonna go pick Brady up for school. But my eye is still really messed up. Like, it's hard to keep it open right now because it's just like so bright. The show last night was really good. I couldn't film during the show, so I just had to film it before, just to show you guys. The place that it was held in was so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot see right now. Sorry that my eyes are closed. Don't worry, I'm fine. The girl that I watched, her name's Eliza with an I, and she's on Netflix, so you should watch her, but she's really funny. Okay, I'm gonna make this the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching, if you're still watching. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching my snow week here in the Midwest. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.